Most small business owners spend years learning how to sell, market, and serve customers, but very few spend time learning how money actually works inside a business. In this video, we are sharing top 10 business finance books every small business owner should read. Number 1. Profit First. One of the biggest mistakes small business owners make is treating profit as whatever remains at the end of the month. This book teaches a simple system that flips the traditional approach. Instead of paying expenses first, you set aside profit first and operate the business with what remains. The practical lesson is that profitability should become a habit, not a hope. Small business owners can use separate bank accounts to manage taxes, operating expenses, owner compensation, and profit. This approach creates financial discipline and helps prevent overspending. The book is especially valuable for businesses that generate revenue but still struggle to keep cash in the bank. Number 2. The E-Myth Revisited. Many entrepreneurs start businesses because they are skilled at a trade, but running a business requires completely different skills. This book explains the difference between working in your business and working on your business. A practical lesson is to create repeatable systems for daily operations. Instead of depending on memory or constant supervision, document processes and build consistency. When financial tasks such as invoicing, bookkeeping, and expense tracking become systemized, business performance becomes easier to manage and scale. This book helps owners think like business builders rather than employees. Number 3. Financial Intelligence. Financial statements often look confusing to non-financial business owners. This book explains income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements in simple language. The key takeaway is that numbers tell stories about the health of a business. Understanding where money comes from, where it goes, and what drives profitability allows owners to make better decisions. Practical examples show how seemingly profitable businesses can still face financial problems. This book helps entrepreneurs become more confident when reviewing reports and discussing finances with accountants or advisors. Number 4. Simple Numbers. Straight Talk, Big Profits. This book focuses on the financial metrics that matter most for small businesses. Instead of drowning in dozens of reports, owners learn how to track a few critical numbers. A major lesson is understanding labor costs, profit margins, and operating efficiency. The author emphasizes that revenue alone does not create success. Healthy profit margins and strong cash generation are far more important. Small business owners can use these concepts to identify financial weaknesses early and make adjustments before problems become serious. Number 5. The Personal MBA. Business owners often need knowledge from multiple areas, including finance, marketing, operations, sales, and management. This book provides a broad business education without requiring a formal degree. The finance sections explain concepts such as cash flow, value creation, pricing, and financial decision-making. One practical lesson is that every business activity should contribute to creating and delivering value profitably. Understanding these fundamentals helps owners make smarter investments and avoid costly mistakes that can damage long-term financial stability. Number 6. The Goal. This book uses a story-driven format to explain business efficiency and operational bottlenecks. The key lesson is that every business has a constraint limiting growth and profitability. Identifying and improving that constraint can dramatically improve results. For small business owners, this might be production capacity, staffing, marketing, or customer acquisition. Financially, the book teaches that improving overall system performance is often more valuable than cutting small expenses. Understanding bottlenecks helps owners increase revenue and profitability more effectively. Number 7. The Lean Startup. Many businesses waste money developing products or services that customers do not actually want. This book teaches entrepreneurs how to test ideas quickly and learn from real customer feedback. The financial lesson is simple. Reduce risk before making large investments. Instead of spending heavily up front, validate assumptions through small experiments. Small business owners can use this mindset to protect cash reserves, improve decision-making, and allocate resources more efficiently. It encourages financial discipline during growth and expansion. Number 8. Good to Great. This book examines why some companies achieve long-term success while others remain average. One important lesson for business owners is disciplined financial management. Great companies make decisions based on facts rather than emotions. They focus on sustainable growth rather than chasing every opportunity. The book encourages leaders to understand their core strengths and invest resources strategically. Small business owners can apply these principles when budgeting, hiring, expanding operations, or making investment decisions. Number 9. The Outsiders. This book studies successful business leaders known for exceptional capital allocation decisions. Capital allocation simply means deciding where business money should be invested for the best return. The practical lesson is that every dollar should have a purpose. Whether investing in equipment, marketing, inventory, or expansion, owners should evaluate expected outcomes carefully. The book demonstrates how disciplined financial decisions can create extraordinary business results over time and helps entrepreneurs think more strategically about money management. And number 10, Built to Last. Long-term success requires more than short-term profits. This book explores how enduring companies balance financial performance with strong values and long-term vision. One practical lesson is to make financial decisions that strengthen the business for years rather than focusing only on immediate gains. Small business owners can learn the importance of reinvesting wisely, building strong systems, and maintaining financial discipline during both good and challenging periods. The book encourages leaders to create businesses that remain healthy, profitable, and resilient over time. Instead of immediately spending more money to grow, focus on delivering greater value to customers. Better products, better service, and stronger customer experiences often create growth without significantly increasing expenses. Make sure to follow these tips and watch all of our videos for more practical business finance insights. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.